Hey guys, welcome back with Tricky Horty Agri. From now onwards, we'll start the floriculture series, which will contain the important questions from any agricultural examination point of view. Today we are going to start the first part of this series. In this video, we will discuss the introduction and basic concepts of floriculture. So let's get started, guys. First one is definition of terms. Horticulture comes from two Latin words, hortus and cultura. Hortus means garden plant and cultura means culture. So horticulture means the cultivation of garden plants. Classically defined as the culture or growing of garden plants. But as a science, horticulture is the science and art of cultivating, processing and marketing of vegetables. The study of vegetable is olericulture. Fruits, the study of fruits is pomology. Ornamental plants, trees and other woody perennials. Study of trees and other woody perennials is arboriculture, and stimulants, spices, herbs and medicinal plants. Next we discuss about the definition of floriculture. Floriculture or flower farming is a discipline of horticulture concerned with the cultivation of flowering and ornamental plants for gardens and for floristry, comprising the floral industry. Floriculture crops include bedding plants, house plants, flowering, garden plants, pot plants, cultivated greens and cut flowers. Definition of floriculture according to Larson 1980. Floriculture is a branch of horticulture that deals with the cultivation of flowering plants, decorative foliage plants, cacti, orchids, succulents, bonsai, ferns, plants grown in containers as well as landscape gardening. In many of the recent literature, floriculture is referred as ornamental horticulture. Ornamental plants are either plants as such or their plant parts are decorative, showy, attractive and used for both aesthetic and functional purpose. They can be flowering or non-flowering with decorative nature. Next one is role of ornamental horticulture in present day life. The role of ornamental plants in the evolution of human civilization reaches far beyond food, fiber and medicine. Floriculture enlightens us to communicate with others in peace and love, provide harmony and balance in our behavior. Ornamental crop culture was earlier considered as an gardener's activity. Now floriculture has become an innovative business with viable export potential. Next point is the global ornamental crop industry includes florist trade, which include cut flowers, cut foliage, potted plants, bouquet, etc. Production and sale of seeds, bulbs, corms, rhizomes, tubers, rooted cuttings. Ornamental plant rental services. Plant nursery business and production of tissue culture raised plants. Production of flowers for perfumes, essential oil, etc. Production of dried flowers and plant parts, landscape and turf grass industry. Next one is new production centers are Africa, included Kenya, Tanzania, Zimbabwe, Uganda, Ethiopia, etc. Next is Latin America, which include Ecuador, Chile, Brazil, etc. Next is Asia, which include India, China, Thailand, etc. Next is traditional production centers, which are USA, Japan, the Netherlands, Italy, Colombia. Floriculture in Ethiopia is famous. Floriculture in Ethiopia. Ornamental horticulture started in Ethiopia recently. Nowadays, it is increasing and is one of the top export commodity of the country. Opportunity, Opportunities for expansion of floriculture in Ethiopia is suitable climate to produce various flower crops, ample resources such as land, cheap labor, abundant water, etc. Proximity to Middle East and European markets, increasing domestic market for flowers, government policy and investment incentives. Next is importance of floriculture in Ethiopia. Earns foreign currency, product diversification, job opportunity for the people, encourages supportive industries, promote investment, and many others. The last one is important flower crops grown and exported from Ethiopia. Various flower crops are grown and exported from Ethiopia, but some are main, as like roses, poinsettia, geranium, also known as pelargonium, lilies, gypsophila, hypericium, chrysanthemum, carnation, statice, and freesia. So guys, that's all for today. I'll be uploading the next video soon. If you like the video, let me know in the comment section. Also, you can share the topics you want me to make videos upon. Give a big thumbs up and do not forget to like the video and subscribe our channel for more related videos.